Welcome to Timberline Heights, a brand new, well-designed 12-parcel development in Clearwater County, Idaho. Just 5 minutes from Weippe and only 30 minutes from Morfino, this rural community offers a rare opportunity to build in a peaceful, scenic setting surrounded by the natural beauty of north-central Idaho. Timberline Heights features 12 spacious parcels ranging from nearly 7 acres to just over 22 acres. The land offers a beautiful mix of flat and gently rolling terrain with mature timber and reforested area filled with native trees. Each parcel offers its own blend of privacy and stunning views, from local secluded scenery to wide open vistas of the surrounding foothills and distant mountain ranges. Wildlife is abundant here. It's not uncommon to spot deer, elk, wild turkeys, and other native species, all adding to the quiet charm of country living. Located just west of Weippe, Timberline Heights sits where the historic Weippe Prairie rises into the foothills of the Selway-Bitterroot Mountains, an ideal base for outdoor adventure and relaxed rural living. The Weippe area has long been shaped by farming, ranching, and logging, industries that are still central to its way of life and local economy. Southwest Clearwater County is a great launch point for outdoor recreation. The nearby Clearwater River is famous for its salmon and steelhead fishing. You'll also find miles of trails and public lands perfect for hiking, ATV riding, hunting, and exploring. Just minutes away, Deyo Reservoir offers fishing, non-motorized boating, picnicking, and camping in a scenic, easy-to-access location. And only 30 minutes from Timberline Heights, Dworshak Reservoir offers even more, from boating to bass and kokanee fishing to endless outdoor fun. And each August, the town comes alive for the Wild Weippe Rodeo, a long-standing community tradition full of rodeo events, parades, and family-friendly fun. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or a connection to Idaho's rich natural and cultural heritage, Timberline Heights is the perfect place to put down roots. At North Central Idaho Properties, we're more than experienced professionals. We're longtime locals who truly understand the land, the lifestyle, and the values of this region. If you're interested, reach out to schedule a private tour of the available parcels at Timberline Heights. We'd love to show you around.